Hello folks, welcome to the Sherman Oaks Fashion Mall, we call it here, off the 101 and Sherman Oaks Riverside Drive. I'm going to show you a little bit of the roof access going on here. We're actually on the wrong track, but that's alright. Normally you have to negotiate the roof access points, clear yourself with mall management, make sure your tenant knows you're here, and then be on your way. Oh, beautiful Friday afternoon here, and this mall has added solar panels to cut costs on energy and reduce their carbon footprint, so I'm told. Mall management here requires you to access them with a permit that your tenant will fill out and make sure that you have enough insurance. At our company we do. So you come down this way and you make your way to the parapets, and it's where we'll find our units and our equipment to service. Come on up over here, and that's Riverside Drive. All you people that don't live in LA, take a walk down this way, and not bad sight. So we'll get down to the other ladder and we'll stop the film and maybe shoot another one and go from there. Okay, here's the ladder we want to climb down. So you can see there's split systems lined up. Ours is over there, and then they've got air handlers inside the building, inside this attic space that it's all dark, there's no light. So see what's in the air. And that would be maybe LAPD, or I'm thinking that's probably going to be CHP on the way to Van Nuys. Okay, we'll talk at you soon.